And for a brand new week, obviously Donald Trump's been warmongering over the weekend, so we knew that gold was going to gap up quite nicely and the Nasdaq was probably going to gap down, which it has done. Obviously the market's just really overextended, so it's absolutely blasting this way and that, with really big moves. So this was just a quick scalp. I got in here at 362 and got out at 368, so nice little scalp, good little move. Was able to get just over 100 quid out of it. Obviously, you know, the stops, because it's just wicking, not necessarily wicking, but it's doing this nonsense here. It's at major risk of stopping you out. Even if it is going to keep going higher, it's a major risk of stopping you out quickly first. So I didn't want to put my stops too large. So this is a nice start to the week. Yeah. No, we just got stopped out of a trade. We hit this nice doji here. And then, yeah, we started to push down. We put in a little top wick, started to push down. We just got stopped out. So, sounds about fucking right, don't it? Yeah, is what it is. Oh, there we go. Right, I'm going to call it an evening there. I should have done that when I was about 100 quid up. But we've now managed to get back to break even. Trading silver. I don't really know why I'm trading silver. Well, there you go. I won't be doing again. Got in here. Again, yeah, whatever. Sat through a little bit of drawdown. Stuck with it and sold up there. Whatever. Yeah. As you can see, just grinding. Choppiness, Nasdaq, oh, piss off. Oh god. Yeah, again, Nasdaq, we took a few more trades and obviously we'd care to talk about, but again, just big move down followed by chop. And yeah, unfortunately that 5-minute chart trade really has upset me. This one here. It did go down a little bit, put us into a little bit of profit, and then just yoked straight back up again. So we did put in an initial wick, and then it came down, we got in, and it just fucking yoked back up. So yeah, this is doing nothing but chopping, really. So it's a bit of a piss take, but it is what it is. I think this is just the way it's going to be now. I don't think it's going to, I mean, look at all this. I mean, I know this was like, last night, you know, coming into the close, but it's just choppiness. It's just a bit shit. So yeah, but yeah, we break even. So, but this eval's still down. Yeah, so we need to get that back up and running again properly. Right, we didn't really do a whole lot today, but we still managed to have a monumental red day. So yeah, come down here to this previous area of resistance. We had this idea they would turn to support. We had a big red candle down. We put a little bit of a bottom wick in, and we thought we were going to start moving up, which we sort of did, and then we didn't. Came very close to being stopped out there. Came disgustingly close to being stopped out. And yeah, this trade did work out. It did go back up, but another instance where I just realised, as soon as I took this trade, I realised that this is just going to be another dog shit day for trading, choppy. So we knew that we couldn't stay in this trade for long, because just had this idea that it was just going to come straight back on us, which it would have done. To be fair, I think had we not took profit where we did, it would have come back and stopped us out, because that's if memory serves correct, that's what happened. Okay, so we've had a big move down, and I think this is just a prime example of when not to trade. So the chop started, yeah, about 10 minutes ago. And it continues for probably a good, what time is it there? Oh, it continues for ages. I think it's another hour of chop. It becomes literally insane after this. So just another, yeah. There's this actually the Dow Jones. So they've traded the Dow Jones before and done quite well on it because it doesn't move as erratically as the Nasdaq. But looking at the charts, it's not immune from the choppiness that's taking place at the moment in the market. So, which I didn't think it would be. I just thought it would move a little bit better than what it did. So yeah, the chop was real today. It was insane. Yeah, so I had this idea that even though we've got this big pump down, that it was actually push back up and building out a bit of a bull flag, because we've sort of had that before where we've pushed back up, then we've started to sort of bull flag a little bit, and instead of it being an overall bear flag, it's actually been a bull flag on the smaller time frames, and it's worked its way back up again. So yeah, we were kind of playing into that idea because it's happened before, but yeah, obviously just market just chopped. We took a few other trades after this, which obviously I didn't bother recording, but we got chopped out of literally everything. We didn't take a single winning trade. We got chopped out of all of it. So yeah, this eval is down hard. I think we're about 50% of our way through our drawdown, max drawdown, which is $2,000 on the 50k account. Terrified to trade our other account because that's still up nicely. I cannot bring myself to do it in this. I just can't watch that account get blown.